we, and me, and with my colleague, and this was perfect. Yeah.
So you would say this has lived up to your expectations?
Yes. Yeah.
How much did you pay them this morning?
Actually, I haven't introduced myself to them until this minute.
Is that true? Okay, thank you very much. Good luck with your business, huh?
And I just want to say as a figure, as a number from Amplitude, the last impact that we've done, the last assessment we've done on as an impact on all the graduates, it tends to be that almost from the 835 people we've trained, the people who started the businesses, they have created so far 4 jobs, each one of them. So each one of the people who started the business, we had 267 people started new businesses. We're not talking about people that they already had a business. The people who started the business, each one of them created approximately around 4.1 jobs. So just to show that entrepreneurs are really job creators, and this is the
You get
small
the
and medium
multiplier.
enterprises. Exactly, those are and we depend on you. Really, it's not the big companies. Big companies are not recruiting as you think. The small and medium companies are the really major contributors to the job employment.
Very good.
Your Excellency, we'd love to have a group photo with you.
Ah, okay.